Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we have a face-off between two titans of the 3D printing world. On my left, we have the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS, the budget-friendly high-res wonder. And on my right, the Comgrow 2024 new version Creality K1C, the speed demon with all the bells and whistles. Buckle up because this is going to be one wild ride. First up, let's talk about the moolah. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS comes in at a wallet-friendly $375. It's like the dollar store of high-resolution 3D printers. Meanwhile, the Creality K1C is priced at $599. That's right, folks, it's almost like buying a 3D printer and a small island in the Caribbean. So if your piggy bank is looking a bit thin, Phrozen might be your new best friend. Next, let's zoom in on the details. Literally, the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS boasts a mind-blowing resolution of 22 micrometers. It's like the Sherlock Holmes of 3D printers, picking up every tiny detail. Perfect for those who want their miniatures to look like they walked out of a Pixar movie. On the other hand, Creality K1C is more about speed than detail. It's like comparing a fine artist to a Formula One driver, both impressive but in different lanes. Reviewers love the Phrozen for its precision and detail, while the Creality is praised for handling larger projects quickly. Now, let's talk user-friendliness. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS is like the IKEA of 3D printers, simple, straightforward, and perfect for beginners. It's got an open-source system, so you can slice models with your favorite slicers, be it lychee, chitterbox, or mango. I mean tango! Meanwhile, the Creality K1C is the tech-savvy cousin who sets up your Wi-Fi in 3 minutes flat. It's pre-assembled, auto-calibrated, and ready to go faster than you can say, plug and play. It's like having a personal 3D printing butler. Reviewers appreciate the Phrozen for its ease of use, though some mention it requires a dedicated space due to ventilation needs. The Creality, on the other hand, is lauded for its easy setup and intuitive user experience. Special features time. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS keeps it simple but effective. Smooth surfaces and fewer layer lines mean your prints come out looking like they've been through a spa day. On the flip side, the Creality K1C is like the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers. It's got AI LiDAR, an observant AI camera, and fans that cool your prints faster than a polar vortex. It even prints carbon fiber filament, which sounds like something Tony Stark would use. Reviewers note that the Phrozen excels in print quality, while the Creality's advanced features make it a versatile choice for various projects. And finally, let's talk speed. The Creality K1C is the Usain Bolt of 3D printers, boasting a printing speed of 600 millimeters per second, with 20,000 millimeters per square second acceleration. It's 12 times faster than your average 3D printer, which means you can go from zero to hero in no time. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS, while not a speedster, focuses on precision. It's like comparing a cheetah to a surgeon, both impressive, but one gets the job done with finesse. Reviewers highlight the Creality for its speed and efficiency, while the Phrozen is praised for its meticulous attention to detail. When it comes to online reviews, the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS is celebrated for its exceptional detail and quality, making it a great choice for those focused on print precision. However, some users noted the need for a dedicated, ventilated space. On the other hand, the Comgrow Creality K1C is praised for its speed, ease of use, and advanced features, making it ideal for users who value efficiency and versatility. Both printers have their unique strengths, catering to different needs and preferences. So which one should you buy? If you're a detail-oriented beginner with a budget, the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS is your go-to. But if you crave speed, convenience, and a bit of AI magic, the Creality K1C is worth the splurge. Let us know in the comments which one you're leaning towards. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smart buying tips. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart. Product links are in the description.